So guys, today I am with my students and we are doing the practice regarding simple present tense. So in this session we have to do the practice the 1000 sentences at a time. So here is Tejas, Sanskruti, here is Hari and here is Krishna. Hey guys, this is your senior educator, director and founder of Cosmos English Institute. So guys, this batch is the morning batch and this batch commenced from the before the 1 month. We have started the year of that batch, and in this session we are going to do the practice regarding simple present tense. How to use the simple present tense in day-to-day lifestyle while you are speaking without regarding your daily routine, while you are elaborating the points regarding your daily actions, habits. So you have to use the simple present tense. The definition of simple present tense is like that: if the action happens in the present situation, if the action happens in the present moment, that time you should have to deal with the simple present tense. Any action, verb. Then the features of simple present tense is like that: you should have to use V1, means the first form of the verb, while elaborating the points regarding simple present tense, like that: I write, we write, you write, he writes, she writes, it writes, Ram writes, Sita writes, like that, they write. Just guys, you have to focus one thing in front of that thing. While elaborating the V1, you should have to mention the point I, we, you, they. With I, we, you, they, you should have to use V1. And in third person singular name, like that, he, she, it, and any third person singular name, that time you should have to deal with V5. Just like that. As a helping verb, we have to use do and does. Do is used with I, we, you, they. And another thing is like that, does is used with third person singular name. In interrogative sentences, where are you going to use the does? That time you should have to, don't take V5, just type in front of do and does. With the help of does, you should have to avoid affixes. You should have to mark that affixes, that you have to mention V1, like that. Helping verb, do does plus, subject plus, V1 plus. Not you have to take the affixes with the V1. This is the necessity point. And in Marathi sentences, the end part of the sentence is like that: to, ti, te, to, star. So guys, today I am with my students and we are doing the practice regarding simple present tense. So in this session, we have to do the practice the 1000 sentences at a time. So here is Tejas, Sanskruti, here is Hari and here is Krishna. So we are going to do the practice regarding 1000 sentences with the help of simple present tense, and we are going to use all the rules and regulations regarding the simple present tense. Guys, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Are you ready?
Yes,
So first,
sir.
you have to do your introduction in a proper way. Then you have to elaborate the formulas in 6 format. There are 6 types of sentences. First is assertive, then interrogative, then negative, then interrogative negative, then WH interrogative, and then WH interrogative negative. These are the 6 types of the sentences. With the help of the 6 types of the sentences, we have to elaborate the 6 types of the sentences. With one sentence, we have to elaborate the 6 sentences. And these are the assertive, interrogative, negative, WH interrogative, and WH interrogative negative, and interrogative negative. These are the 6 types of the sentences. Guys, before going to start the today's practice, I just want to elaborate one thing in front of you, and that thing is, guys, change your habit and your habit will change your future. What? Change your habit and your habit will change your future. Definitely, guys, you should have to work on your habits, and one day with the help of that habit, you can change your future. Those who want to acquire, those who want to conquer a big thing in your life, that time you should have to bring such a good habits in yourself. Okay, you should have to addict with that habits, and one day that habit will change your future. So guys, are you ready to update yourself?
Yes.
And this guys is hunger about to learn English, and we are going to upgrade the skills regarding LSRW method. What guys? Which method? LSRW. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. These are the method. This is the worldwide technique. With the help of this technique, we can conquer the English orator speaking skill. What guys? English orator speaking skill. So let's do the practice. Now I am going to hand over the mic towards Tejas, then Sanskruti, then Hari, and then Krishna. But you have to introduce yourself in a proper way in front of that camera. Then you have to elaborate the formula regarding simple present tense. Okay? Chalo, let's start.
Good morning, everybody. Myself Tejas Kailasuri. I am from Latur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have elder brother. I am also doing Cosmos English Academy. Today, I just give us a word to speak about simple present tense formula. Subject plus do does plus not plus main verb plus object plus complement. Do does plus not plus main verb plus object plus complement. WH plus do does plus main verb plus object plus complement. WH plus do does plus main verb plus not plus object plus complement.
Give a big hands for Tejas. Good. have been taken in WH interrogative. Okay, you have to focus on that formulas. So, Sanskrit, let's start.
So hi friends, good evening, good morning. I am Sanskriti Gajanan Tappu. I am belong to Latur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have one uncle, and I am in 7th standard.
Okay.
Subject plus V1 plus object plus complement. Doodles plus subject plus V1 plus object plus complement. Subject plus doodles plus not plus V1 plus object plus complement. Doodles plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object plus complement. WH plus doodles plus V1 plus object plus complement. WH plus doodles plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object plus complement.
Give a big hands for Sanskriti. Good. Yeah, keep it up.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mirkalesh Balaji. I belong to Latur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have elder sister. I have completed 10th standard and also I am doing Cosmos English Academy. Simple present tense formula, subject plus V1 plus object plus complement, doodles plus subject plus V1 plus object plus complements, subject plus doodles plus not plus V1 plus object plus complement, doodles plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object plus complement, WH plus doodles plus subject plus V1 plus object plus complement, WH plus doodles plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object plus complement.
Give a big hand for Harish. Good. Next.
Good morning everyone, my name is Krishna Raju Rasinde. I study in class 7. In my family, apart from my parents, I have one younger brother. I am also doing Cosmos English Academy, and today Ajay sir has taken one activity to say the two simple present tense formula.
Tell the formula.
Yes. Subject plus V1 plus object plus complement. Doodles plus subject plus V1 plus object plus complement. Subject plus doodles plus not plus V1 plus object plus complement. Doodles plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object plus complement. WH plus doodles plus subject plus V1 plus object plus complement. WH plus doodles plus subject plus not plus object plus V1 plus object plus complement. Thank you.
Now, look guys, all the students had elaborated introduction, and with the help of that introduction they also elaborate the simple present tense formula regarding 6 sentences, 6 formula they have elaborated in front of you. Now we are going to comment the practice of the sentences regarding simple present tense. Now I will give them one sentence in assertive format. They have to elaborate this sentence in 6 format. Are you ready guys to elaborate these sentences in 6 format? Let's start. Take this mic. First sentence is like that. He goes to school every day.
He goes to school every day. Do he goes to school every day?
Is it correct do? Is it correct do?
No.
What we have to use instead of do? Okay, why does? Because it is third person singular. You have to do the practice regarding that do and does. Okay, sure, elaborate.
Does he goes to school
Does
every
he
day?
go? Not whenever you have to use does, that time you have to hide es. Okay. Does he go to school? Okay, so speak.
Does he go to school every day? He does not go to school every day. Does he not go to school every day? Who go to school every day? Who do not go to school every day?
Okay, it's wrong sentence. Okay, chalo, next. She goes to school every day.
She goes to school every day. Does she goes to school?
Does she go?
Does she go to school every day? She does not go to school every day. Does she not go to school every day? Who does go to school every day? Who does not go to school every day?
Okay, good. I go to school every day.
I go to school every day. Do I go to school every day? I do not go to school every day. Do I not go to school every day? Who do go to school every day? Who do not go to school every day?
Okay, hand over mine. They go to school every day.
They go to school every day. Do they go to school every day? They do not go to school every day. Do they not go to school every day? Who do go to school every day? Who do not go to school every day?
Give a big hands for all the students. Good. Now next sentence, who will elaborate? Sentence is like that. He writes an email to his friend. He writes an email to his friend. Who will elaborate this sentence in 6 format? Bye. Take care. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Close it.